Okay, I'm making a pasta salad. I'm gonna cook my pasta. Should I use this? Should I use a blender? Blender's easier to clean. I'm using the blender. Blender, more blender, more blender. I don't know how to make this. You can't see that, but I added it to the thing. That can't hurt it, right? Seems like a lot, but whatever. A can of cannelli beans, and a can of garbanzo beans, and a can of black olives. And it says a chopped green onion. I don't have all of these things prepared. These don't go in the blender. I'm not gonna do this stuff yet. Actually, yes I am, but I just showered. That's why my hair is wet. It says 3/4 of a cup of olive oil. That seems like a lot. I'm gonna do whatever I decide I want. 1/3 a cup, maybe? Seems like so much still. Is that normal for pasta salad? 1/3 of a cup, let's see. And 1/3 of a cup of red wine vinegar. That seems weird. 1/4 of a cup of chopped parsley. I don't have fresh parsley, so 1/8 of a cup. We have this super fancy cup that has all different kinds of measurements on it. I don't know if you can see. It's got ounces and cups and grams and milliliters and teaspoons and tablespoons and ounces and cups and grams. I already did all those. Never mind. Okay, 1/8 of a cup. 1/8 of a cup. That's not even half. All right. This thing has a false bottom. I don't like it. Go, be free. 2 to 4 cloves of chopped garlic, which I don't have the patience for, so we have this. 1 pepper, black pepper. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Power. Go until it says stop. That seems intense. I don't think it actually says to do this, it just says to chop it. I really don't like doing dishes, so if I can like minimize the amount of utensils and things I'm using. Great, it looks like this now. The easiest way to clean a blender is to put everything back and to pour soap and water in your blender and then just make it go. I mean, come on, it's its own dishwasher. Water, that much, because that's the cup I have. Then that much soap, because that's what came off. Power, and go. There's too much soap in it because I don't know how to limit myself on soap. I know. Timer. Stop. Hot, 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 hot. All right, this is just gonna go in now. It pretty much just says to combine stuff. Now I'm gonna add everything else that I forgot to drain earlier. Recycle. More recycle. More recycle. Motorcycle. I heard it. Okay, I'm rinsing that out because I feel like I should. I don't know if I actually am. By the way, it looks like this now. Yay! It smells good. All right, salt to taste. Salt. I don't have salt in there. Why are you yelling at me? I have salt in here because we have seasonings in many places. Why? Great question. Oh, I love them. They're so cute. Okay, it's gonna just go on there. It's going to sit overnight before it actually becomes super good. Time to try it with the spatula. I don't want to clean now. Goodbye.